Ergonomic cushions promising instant pain relief are everywhere online, and the Reloria Orthogrid Cushion is getting a lot of attention. But is it real ergonomic support or just another heavily marketed product? Let's find out. So, Reloria Orthogrid Cushion is a gel honeycomb seat cushion designed to reduce pressure on your tailbone and improve sitting posture. The brand claims its grid design distributes weight evenly and prevents pressure points, unlike memory foam cushions that compress over time. There is some logic behind its design. Honeycomb gel cushions can spread weight across the seat, which may reduce pressure on the tailbone and hips. They're usually cooler and more breathable than foam cushions, which helps during long sitting sessions. These types of cushions are commonly used in office chairs, car seats, and wheelchairs to add comfort. But here's where expectations should stay realistic. Claims like instant pain relief or never flattening are marketing claims, not strong clinical evidence. Many similar cushions are generic products sold under different brand names online, and results depend heavily on your chair and posture. A cushion alone won't fix deeper ergonomic problems. So is the Reloria Orthogrid Cushion legit? It's likely a real cushion with a reasonable design, but it's not a miracle ergonomic solution. It can improve comfort for long sitting sessions. Just don't expect it to completely solve back or posture problems on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.